Hey there, viewers! Here's what to do to build muscle at home. What to do to build muscle at home is one of the most common questions among teens and adults. They are always supposed to hear the only thing that how they build muscles fast at home without going to the gym or lifting weights. Keep on watching this video because we will be explaining a number of ways to build muscles at home. Also, you can easily pump up your muscles without owning any set at-home gym equipment, or any elliptical machine or a treadmill to grow your muscle. How do muscles grow? Skeletal muscle is the most adaptable tissue in your body. When you do extreme exercise like weightlifting, your muscle fibers undergo trauma, or what's called muscle injury. When your muscles are injured this way, satellite cells on the outside of the muscle fibers become activated. They attempt to repair the damage by joining together and, as a result, increasing the muscle fiber. Certain hormones actually help your muscles grow too. They control the satellite cells and are responsible for things like sending the cells to your muscles after exercise, forming new blood capillaries, repairing muscle cells, managing muscle mass. For example, resistance moves help your body release growth hormone from your pituitary gland. How much is released depends on the intensity of the exercise you've done. Growth hormone triggers your metabolism and helps turn amino acids into protein to bulk up your muscles. Here's what to do to build muscle at home. Number 1. Running or jogging. It's too easy, right? You just need to simply put on your comfortable shoes and clothing, open the gate, and start walking a few distances. Simple, but it's not simple as it looks. For beginners and newbies, it is advised that you should start only with walking or jogging slowly. This will increase your physical stamina. After a few days, you feel more energetic and now you are ready for the next step. Start by running. While running for the first time, your muscles are going to scream. So the best advice is to start slow and take shorter distances first. Try to build up your leg muscles and your cardiovascular system. When they both get stronger, increase your pace and distance. Running helps you to remain physically and mentally therapeutic, and this is a very basic step towards building muscles fast at home. Before we continue, a like would be great. Number 2. Push-ups. Push-ups are an effective and efficient way to build muscles in our upper body. Train all upper forms of body muscles like arms, back, shoulders, and chest. When you become experienced enough, you can use an improved form of push-ups by leaning on the wall, on the kitchen door, or wherever to do the push-up at an angle. As you grow stronger, you may be able to work your way to using the floor as your starting point. Push-ups also help to increase your muscles along with triceps and biceps, i.e. your arm muscles, as this exercise uses our entire body as the weight. Number 3. Crunches. Crunches are again something you can easily do. It will help you build muscle mass in and around the waist. The crunches are not like the old sit-ups, is much more effective in strengthening the abdominal muscles and your overall core muscle group. Start with 5 to 10 crunches a day and you can increase some more every day. These are some modest but proven ways to build muscle without using weights. Number 4. Dips. Dips are an effective complex exercise as you lift your entire body weight. Use your full extension while performing dips. If you face any kind of trouble performing a dip, you can take someone's help who can hold your legs. Number 5. Pull-ups. Pull-ups are considered the best among upper body exercises. It covers all upper body muscles like the back, arms, chest, and shoulders. If you can't do upright pull-ups at the beginning, you can go with flat pull-ups, then go to advanced level when you get sturdier. You can also consider chin-ups as they are best for gaining biceps and building muscles fast at home. Number 6. Squats. Squats are the real master of all exercises if you want to increase your portion muscular body. This exercise hits your legs and your back. It also helps by working in the core. This exercise works seamlessly in building your thighs and ensures that your lower back becomes stronger. Number 7. Body weight exercises. Best way to gain muscle without weights and increase your body mass at last. You need to continuously challenge your muscles by doing increasingly tough body weight exercises, just like you use heavier weights in the gym. You can use advanced body weight exercises such as the one-armed push-up, pistol squat, one-arm chin-up, plank, I-sit, and some front levers that let you continuously be challenged. These advanced bodyweight exercises require high body tension that leads to massive strength gains. So these are the bodybuilding exercises without equipment you can try at home. Home diet tips to gain muscle fast. Number 1. Eat breakfast to help build muscle mass. This gives you an immediate burst of energy and helps you to stay full until your next meal or snack. It also sets the trend. You'll tend to eat healthier if your day starts with a strong and healthy breakfast. Your best bets if you're trying to build muscle mass are omelets, smoothies, and cottage cheese. Number 2. Eat every 3 hours. Eating the right thing at the right time is crucial for helping you boost your muscle mass. The easiest way is to eat your breakfast, lunch, and dinner as usual, interspersed with meals post-workout, pre-bed, and with 2 snacks in between. Keeping your food intake up will mean you won't be as hungry, because eating smaller meals more often versus a few big meals will decrease your stomach size. You'll feel full more quickly and your waist will trim, while you'll also have fewer cravings. Not eating for long periods can cause you to overeat at the next meal or top yourself up with unhealthy snacks from the vending machine. So to stop any cravings, eat at fixed times every day and your body will get hungry at those fixed times. Number 3. Eat protein with each meal to boost your muscle mass. You need protein to build and maintain muscle. To achieve this, you should be looking to eat at least 1 gram per 454 grams of body weight. That's 200 grams a day if you weigh 91 kilograms. The easiest way to get this amount is to eat a whole protein source with each meal. These include red meat, beef, pork, lamb, etc. Poultry, chicken, turkey, duck, etc. Fish, tuna, salmon, sardines, mackerel, etc. Eggs. Don't believe the cholesterol myths. Eat the yolk. Dairy. Milk, cheese, cottage cheese, quark, yogurt, etc. Whey. Not necessary but great for easy post-workout shakes. Try vegan options too, such as lentils, tofu, seeds, and nuts. Number 4. Eat fruit and vegetables with every meal. Most of them, not all, are low-calorie. You can eat your stomach full without gaining fat or weight. Fruit and vegetables are also full of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, which helps digestion. But just be careful to check the sugar content of some fruits. Number 5. Eat carbs only after your workout. While you need carbs for energy, most people eat more than they need. Limit your carbohydrate intake to after your workout only. Eat fruit and vegetables with all meals. These contain few carbohydrates compared to whole grains, with the exception of corn, carrots, and raisins. Another carbs post-workout only. This is rice, pasta, bread, potatoes, quinoa, oats, etc. Avoid white carbs and eat whole grains. Number 6. Eat healthy fats. Healthy fats improve fat loss and health as they digest slowly. Make sure you balance your fat intake. Eat healthy fats with every meal and avoid artificial trans fats and margarine. Number 7. Drink water to help you build muscle mass. Strength training causes water loss through sweating, which can impair muscle recovery, and thus it won't help you increase your muscle mass. Drinking water prevents dehydration, but also hunger, since an empty stomach can make you think you're hungry. Number 8. Eat whole foods 90% of the time. To really get the results you want and to boost your muscle mass significantly, 90% of your food intake should consist of whole foods. Whole foods. These are unprocessed and unrefined or little refined foods that come as close as possible to their natural state. Examples: fresh meat, fish, poultry, eggs, vegetables, pulses, fruits, rice, oats, quinoa, etc. Processed foods usually contain added sugars, trans fats, nitrates, corn syrup, sodium, and more chemicals. Examples: bagels, fruit bars, cereals, pizza, cookies, sausages, frozen meals, supplements. Ready to build muscle in the comfort of your home? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out, both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.